Hi there. In this Sage Business Cloud video, we'll quickly look at purchasing inventory on account. So the very first thing I'm going to do is double check that I have the correct taxes set up so that they are reflected on an invoice. So I'll choose Settings, and then under Financial, the financial category there, I'll choose Sales Taxes. So basically I want to ensure that GST is deselected, PST is deselected for British Columbia. That's where I am. And then you want to enter a number. I just entered a placeholder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. RT GST I believe is remitted quarterly. And then for PST I entered a placeholder number PST 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I believe PST is remitted monthly. And I'll choose Save. And then I'll go to Expenses, Vendor Bills, and Alphonse is our vendor. If I hit Tab, so if I'm in that vendor field and I hit Tab on my keyboard, then the bill date gets highlighted so that I could simply enter. The date for this one is 3/4/17, and I'll leave the due date at default. Vendor reference, so this is the vendor invoice number in my situation. It is Alphonse Music World, so I have a code so that I can recognize transactions directly from the vendor reference number 128. And I'm buying a trumpet, sorry, 5 trumpets. So I'll scroll down and find my trumpets. Alphabetical list looks like. There it is there, B115. And I'm going to buy 5 of those. The ledger account is the linked account from that inventory item. So you'll notice that it's using Sage Business Cloud is using a particular accounting system where the cost is debited, not the asset. The tax automatically pops in. When we purchase items for resale in BC, it's GST only. And I also have freight, so I'm going to type in freight for item. I'm not going to pick up an inventory item, and then I'll find my freight account, which is 5,300. One at $37, and it's only GST for freight always. And there's our invoice. I just have the one, so I'm going to choose Save. So I'll be able to see this bill if I just change my dates again. I'm just going to click on this field, the search field, and then hit Tab. And again, type 3/4/17, 3/4/17 if you don't want to see all the transactions, only the transactions on that date. And there it is there. If you want to actually look at the bookkeeping for this transaction, we can go to Reporting, and then the audit trail, and again filter Custom March 4th, 2017. There it is there. And I'm using, if I click on Summary, that's a summary of the transaction. If you click on Details, you'll see all of the actual bookkeeping. So if I scroll down to the bottom here, you'll see that there's a horizontal scroll bar. And this is what the actual bookkeeping looks like. So if you've used Sage 50 Desktop before, you'll see that their method of recording inventory purchases that they use is different than the one used in the cloud version. So that's creating a purchase invoice for an inventory purchase on account. Thanks so much for watching.